Hi, I'm here with Jared from Quinta Maintenance, and I'm excited for you to get to know Jared a little bit more on a personal basis as well as professionally. So, Jared, why don't you tell me a little bit about yourself?
Sure. First of all, thank you for having me.
You bet.
My name is Jared,
Hmm?
and I'm one of the owners of Quinta Maintenance.
Okay.
And I love playing sports. It's one of my
Nice.
hobbies.
Okay. What kind of sports?
I play volleyball, basketball,
Nice.
and anything will work for me.
Uh-huh.
I'm married. I have 6 children,
Wow.
and we're very happy.
Wonderful. Great. So tell me, this is your own business, right? You own this business. Tell me what got you involved in maintenance.
It was all my wife.
Uh-huh.
She was a realtor
Okay.
at the time, and she was having a lot of trouble finding people to do the repairs in the homes.
Okay.
So she said, let's open a business.
Yeah.
So
A much needed business.
yes. So we agreed and we opened in 2013.
Okay.
And I've always worked with my hands and outside doing things.
Mhm.
That's what I like doing. So we decided to open, and it's been great.
Wonderful. Well, we certainly appreciate it. I definitely know that it's nice to have a handyman on speed dial for sure, right? As far as the handyman side of things, tell me, is it just you that does it? I mean, obviously your wife and you guys are a team, but do you have other employees? Tell me a little bit about that.
Yes, we have a crew that works with us,
Okay.
and I hold the licenses, and they work under us.
Okay.
And I also can contract out if
Nice.
it's much bigger jobs
Sure.
that we don't do,
Okay.
and that's the way we operate the business.
Wonderful. How did you get associated with the board?
It was through my wife.
Okay.
Because she worked here, she was
Sure.
an associate with UCAR.
Mm-hmm.
So we're an affiliate now,
Okay.
and it's been great working with them.
Nice. So, your association with the board, tell me, do you guys offer CE classes? Do you guys do any type of sponsorship? Tell me how you are involved with the association.
Yes, we do sponsor classes here.
Okay. Nice.
We come once a month, and we do presentations, and
Okay.
we bring goodies to the class
Sure.
to enjoy, and it works out great. You get to know people,
Mhm.
realtors. We love working with realtors. That's the main reason why we opened the business,
Yes.
because we can help them out. We understand the stress that they go through
Sure.
with deadlines,
Mhm.
and sometimes it gets stressful.
Mm-hmm.
So we always prioritize realtors,
Mhm.
because we know they have deadlines, and if we can accommodate them to get them done before, it works out.
That's important.
Yeah.
For sure. So tell me, what sets your company apart from any other maintenance or handyman company out there?
We try to be transparent
Mm-hmm.
with our deals. We're honest,
Mm-hmm.
and we are reliable. It's a big thing that we find out there, that sometimes they won't show, or
Sure.
they just disappear
Mhm.
all of a sudden. And we established in 2013, and we've been open since, and we stand behind our work.
Nice.
So if something goes wrong for any reason, we'll be there, and we'll take care of the problem.
Nice. Okay, so let's elaborate a little bit more about what your services that you provide. So, do you take me through some examples of services that you've done for our real estate community?
hmm It's good working with realtors, because when they go through the inspection report, most of the time they will email us
Okay.
the inspection report, and then we just tackle
Nice.
what's on
Okay.
the list. And you don't have to call different companies to come do each thing. We
Gotcha.
can tackle most of the list most of the
So you have a
time.
lot of talent behind you,
Mhm.
right?
We do faucets, we do drywall repair, painting,
Okay.
electrical.
Okay, so pretty much anything that someone would need as far as a handyman goes, you guys got them covered.
Yeah, anything that breaks in the home we can fix.
Perfect. Well, I certainly appreciate your time. And for our real estate community out there, for those of you that don't know Jared and haven't utilized him, you definitely need to have your handyman on speed dial, especially in our industry. So please take the time to get to know Jared and make him a part of your team. Thank you so much for your time with us today, and hopefully we'll see you out in the trenches working away.
Sounds good. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.